Here's a quick tutorial on creating functions in JavaScript. Functions are reusable blocks of code that accept arguments and can return values when they're called. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a pretty good understanding on how to create your own functions and implement them into your own code. So let's get started. To create a function, I'm going to write function and give it a name. In this one, I'll just call this one hello, followed by 2 parentheses and 2 curly brackets. Inside the brackets is where the code's going to be. We'll get into arguments here in a little bit. So I'm going to start off and just do a very simple alert that says hello world. Now when I try and execute this code, you'll notice nothing happens. That's because functions have to be called. So this is code that is encapsulated inside of a function that needs to be called by writing hello with 2 parentheses. And so now when I run this, you see I get the text hello world. Not too astonishing, you could have done that without the function, but so now let's look at how you can start adding arguments into the function and making it reusable for your own purposes. So functions accept arguments, and so I can put an argument in here called name, and I can change my alert up here a little bit to hello, add a space in there, plus name. Now, whatever I put in as our first argument will be assigned to the variable name in our code. So if I say, hello, John, now when I run this, it will say, hello, John. So John is being passed in as an argument of name and then is run through our alert. We can start adding a little bit more complexity by adding another argument in there. So we can say name, comma, age. So hello, my name is, plus our name, plus another string that says I am, and then add our name or our age in here. So now if I say John, comma, 34, now when I run this, it's going to say, hello, my name is John, I am 34. I need another space in here for our string. Hello, my name is John, and I am 34. So what's great about this is it becomes reusable. So now if I wanted to say, hello, Alyssa, I am 30, we'll get, hello, my name is John, I am 34. Hello, my name is Alyssa, I am 30. So there's another aspect to this where we don't actually have to use an alert in here. We can use something known as a return. So functions return values. So if I go in and say return, when I alert hello Alyssa, it will return the correct values without having an alert embedded in the actual function. So hello, my name is Alyssa, and I am 30. So we can also look at how we can add some interactivity to this using prompts. So if I go var username equals prompt, and then in our prompt we'll have this say input name, and then we can do another one var user age equals prompt input age. So we're going to create these prompts, and so I can just run this for the first time. I'll just comment this line out. We're going to be faced with these 2 boxes. Input name, we'll say Casey, and then input age 30. So nothing happened because we need to pass these variables into our hello function. So now if we go alert hello username user age, when we go through these alerts, I can say input name, my name is David, and I am 55. And then we're going to run the function. It's going to be returned and it's going to say, hello, my name is David, and I am 55. So that's one way that you can use prompts to pass into functions and then be able to get that data from user prompts. So let's just take a look at like one other example. We've pretty much just used strings for this. If we wanted to do something that did some math, let's say, function, we'll call this add numbers. Ooh, wow, not really spelling very well today. And open and closing curly braces. So if we wanted this function to do something like add 2 plus 2 and return 2 plus 2, I'm going to get rid of this. So if we run this, alert add numbers, it's going to give us the value of 4. Ooh, we still have these prompts running. Turn these off. 4. So now if we wanted to do some math, adding two numbers together, we would just need to be able to create two arguments. So we'll just call this one first number, second number. And now when we call this function, we can say add 100 and 200 together. And inside of our function, we want to return first number plus second number. Hopefully that's all spelled correctly. We'll run that and we get the result of 300. So that's just a quick primer on using functions in JavaScript. Hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much.